Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. One question which always comes in our mind is, when are we going to get fluent and confident in speaking in English? Or in other words, we all want to know how much time it's going to take for us to get fluent and confident in speaking in English. Do you want to know that? Well, if you want to know the answer to this question, stay with me. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin. So we all want to know, when are we going to get fluent in speaking in English? Well, the definition is very simple. If you're able to express your thoughts or ideas very well, easily, effortlessly, efficiently, and people are able to understand you, you are fluent in English. This is a simple basic definition of fluency in speaking in English. Okay, or having a good communication skills or having a good speaking skills in English. Okay, but we get confused, we have lots of doubts about it, and we don't know the actual understanding of what fluency or good communication skills or good speaking skills are. Okay, so that is why in this session I am going to speak about how you'll get to know that you're confident and fluent in speaking in English. Now, there's some myths which are attached to speaking fluent English. One is when people speak very fast or they have an accent, we feel that, oh, that person is very fluent and confident in speaking in English. But if that person is very fast, if that person has an accent, and 50% of the audience or people who is listening to him or her is not able to understand that person, do you still think that the person has a good communication skills or a good English speaking skills? No, not at all. So this is the first myth which we all need to discard or disapprove. If somebody has a very good accent and the person is very fast in speaking in English and we are not able to understand that person, it's of no use. Okay, so we can't communicate with that person, or that person is not able to communicate to us in spite of being fluent and confident in speaking in English. So that is why that person also needs to work on his pace and accent so that everybody else understands that person. Okay, so this is the first thing. Second is, if somebody takes a pause or think before speaking and takes some time to put across the ideas, that person is not confident or not fluent in speaking in English. This is also a myth. If somebody is talking slowly or taking a small pause and then answering the question, or taking some time to think about it and then answering the question, it is absolutely okay. It is absolutely fine. Yeah. So while speaking, we always need to take small pauses so that we can recall things, so that we can think and recall and then speak, so as to express our ideas in a better way. Okay, so this also we have to keep in mind that it is not bad. Actually, it is a good practice of taking pauses and speaking instead of using all these. Okay, instead of using these things, it's better to take a small pause and then speak. Okay, so that is another thing which affects the fluency and good speaking skills. Okay, using a lot of filler words. If somebody uses a lot of filler words, like somebody uses, or yeah. So So these are filler words. Okay, these are filler words. You can't keep on using these words in your own sentences again and again, right? So stop using or restrict using filler words also. If you are using filler words a lot, which means you're not very fluent and confident in speaking in English, in spite of the accent. So restrict the use of filler words. Okay, don't use same words again and again just to fill the gaps or your pauses. Instead of that, take a pause and then speak. That is much better than using filler words. Okay, repeatedly. So the question is, how do we get to know that we are fluent and confident in speaking in English? So my answer is, if you are able to speak in a way that people understands you very well and they respond to you, and you are able to put your ideas across in a much better way, in a very clear way, you are fluent. If you take small pauses to think and recall and then speak, or think before speaking, taking a moment to think and then speak, you are definitely fluent and confident in speaking in English. And if you are restricted using yourself using filler words like yeah, etc., etc., you are fluent and confident in speaking in English. So basically, you have to work on your ideas, your thoughts, and your how you can express that. That is very important. Accent is not important. How fast you speak English is not important. For how long you can speak in English doesn't matter. So these things doesn't matter. The only thing which matters is if you're able to express yourself very clearly in front of anybody on any topic anywhere, you are definitely fluent and confident in speaking in English. Yeah. So you have to take care of your vocabulary, pronunciation, sentence construction, and how to express your ideas in a very simple and easy way. That is important. Okay, so construct simple sentences using simple English, expressing your ideas in limited sentences. It all matters. So if you start taking care of these things, how you express your ideas, how you express your experience, how you express your thoughts, or whatever you are talking about, tells how fluent and confident you are in speaking in English, right? So you have to, so next time when you're speaking in English, you have to make sure you take a moment to think about your answer, what you have to say. When you're speaking your sentences, use simple and small sentences. Express your ideas in minimum sentences possible and see if people are able to understand your English or your idea or not. That is very important. You have to take care of that. Okay, so if you do all these things, if you take care of all these things before speaking, while speaking, you are definitely fluent and confident in speaking in English. So guys, fluency is not how fast you're able to speak in English. Okay, or how or in what accent you are speaking in English. It all doesn't matter unless you're able to express yourself clearly, right? That is very important, and that you have to keep in mind while speaking. If you take care of all these things and you speak in a way that people understand and interact with you and engage with you in your conversations and are engaged with you in your conversations, that means you are fluent and confident in speaking in English. It's just that you need to improve every single day, right? That is important. There's no limit to fluency and building fluency and confidence. You can do it every single day. You can get better every single day. So we should not stop. Even I speak every single day to attain the next goal of being more fluent and confident in speaking in English. So this is how it works, guys. Every single day you keep on building your confidence and fluency, right? But it's just that you have to take care of one thing, that whatever you talk about, whatever ideas, thoughts or experience you're sharing, your audience, the person who is standing in front of you and listening to you, should understand clearly what you're trying to say, which means you need to know how to express your ideas in the best way possible, in a simple and elegant way, right? So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.